Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn all about shopping. Let's listen to some conversations.
妈妈，我们今天要买什么？
我们要买米、牛肉、鱼、蔬菜，还有水果。香蕉很便宜，我要买一些。今天的牛肉有点贵，不过很新鲜，买一些吧。
我可以买巧克力吗？
可以。
姐姐要冰淇淋。
我们去看看吧。
您好，您需要袋子吗？
不需要，请问一共多少钱？
一共90块钱。
妈妈，我们今天要买什么？
我们要买米、牛肉、鱼、蔬菜，还有水果。香蕉很便宜，我要买一些。今天的牛肉有点贵，不过很新鲜，买一些吧。
我可以买巧克力吗？
可以。
姐姐要冰淇淋。
我们去看看吧。
您好，您需要袋子吗？
不需要，请问一共多少钱？
一共90块钱。
Vocabulary 买 to buy. For example, 你要买什么？ What do you want to buy? 我要买鸡蛋。 I want to buy eggs. 米 rice. We're talking about uncooked grain. For example, 我要买一袋米。 I want to buy a bag of rice. 牛肉 literally cow meat, beef. For example, 今天晚饭有牛肉。 Literally, today dinner has beef. That's beef for dinner today. 蔬菜 vegetables. For example, 我不喜欢吃蔬菜。 I don't like eating vegetables. 香蕉 banana. 妈妈买了很多香蕉。 Mom bought a lot of bananas. 便宜 cheap. For example, 今天的香蕉很便宜。 The bananas are very cheap today. 这里的牛肉不便宜。 The beef here is not cheap. 贵 expensive. For example, 这里的蔬菜很贵。 The vegetables here are expensive. 今天的牛肉不贵。 The beef is not expensive today. Using 有点 or 有一点 to describe a little too or a bit too. 有一点 and 有点 are interchangeable. In spoken language, we often skip that e and make it 有点. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 有一点 plus adjective, or subject plus 有点 plus adjective. For example, 今天有点热。 Today is a little too hot. More examples. 今天的牛肉有点贵。 Today's beef is a bit expensive. 上海的冬天有点冷。 Winter in Shanghai is a bit cold. Important notes here. When you use 有点 to describe an adjective, the adjective usually has a negative meaning. For example, hot, expensive, cold. If you say 牛肉有点便宜, the beef is a little cheap, that is not right. 一些 some. 我们买一些香蕉吧。 Let's buy some bananas, okay? 我吃了一些牛肉。 I ate some beef. 新鲜 fresh. For example, 今天的牛肉很新鲜。 The beef is very fresh today. 这里的蔬菜很新鲜。 The vegetables here are very fresh. 巧克力 chocolate. 我可以买巧克力吗？ Can I buy chocolate? 我喜欢巧克力蛋糕。 I like chocolate cake. 冰淇淋 ice cream. 姐姐要冰淇淋。 Older sister wants ice cream. 哥哥很喜欢巧克力冰淇淋。 Older brother really likes chocolate ice cream. 一共 in total or altogether. 我们班一共有50个同学。In total, our class has 50 students. 我一共有90块钱。In total, I have $90. 多少 How much or how many? For example, 你们班有多少个人 How many people are in your class? 一共多少钱 How much money is it in total? 钱 money. For example, 这个包多少钱 How much is this purse? 他很有钱 Literally, he very has money. He has a lot of money. 块 Chinese currency unit. 1块 is equivalent to 1元. 块 is used very similar to dollar in English. For example, 一共90块钱 It is 90块 in total. 这个面包5块钱 This bread is 5块。需要 need. For example, 我们需要水 We need water. 我们不需要这本书 We don't need this book. 袋子 bags. We're talking about paper bags, plastic bags, cloth bags, etc. For example, 您需要袋子吗 Do you need bags? 我要2个袋子 I need 2 bags. Bags have 2 meanings here. First one is 包 We're talking about purse, briefcase, etc. And another one is called 袋子 We're talking about paper bags, plastic bags, or cloth bags. Now it's time for a crochet tip. 米饭 is cooked rice. 米 is uncooked grain. So if you are ordering rice in a restaurant, make sure you say 米饭, not 米. For example, 我们要米饭 We want rice. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!